Oké, Michel. Right.
Goed, ik wacht even, ik heb hier even tijd om te knippen.
Perfect.
Over there we have the Boijmans van Beuningen Museum. It's now closed. Come back in a couple of years, then it's going to be an amazing museum. Now, every museum has a depot. That's usually lower level. What's a depot? It's where you keep your paintings that needs to be restored, needs to be cleaned, and particularly the paintings you don't want to show, or the art you don't want to show. Boijmans van Beuningen started because two guys, Boijmans and van Beuningen, they gave all their art to the city. The city was very happy, made a nice building. But of course these chaps had also bought a lot of things, so when it's a museum people say, well, hey, thank you very much, but we put it in the depot, nobody wants to see it. And over time they get a lot of paintings and sculptures, it's all wonderful, but they just have place for the best thing. Over time, the Boijmans van Beuningen had some 151,000 pieces of art they couldn't show. It was all depot material. So what did they do? They had a depot built, and it's behind me. Now, figure out this. You're an architect. You're thinking of a shape for your building. And it's such a mix of sculptures and ceramics and statues and paintings. It's a sort of salad of art. So what kind of concept do you get in your mind? A sort of salad bowl. I invite you to go to the IKEA website, $3.99 silver salad bowl. This is it. It has 6 floors, 5 different climate levels, because all that different kind of arts, it needs different temperatures and different humidities to keep. The fun part of the course is the roof. There's the restaurant. Because we all know that is how a museum visit is. You spend 20 minutes in front of paintings, 35 minutes is stop in the bookshop, you buy a catalog of 25 euros, and you spend an hour in a restaurant, and you come home and you say, I did art today, I feel totally cultivated. Come to the depot.
Geweldig. Geweldig verhaal, man. Superleuk verhaal.
Kan je nou ook gratis naar boven dan? Naar het restaurant of zo?
Was maar waar, 19 euro entree.
Naar boven als
Ja?
het depot gesloten is.
Ah,
Want
oké.
dat restaurant is natuurlijk altijd open.
Ah, oké.
Wanneer is het gesloten dan?
Moet je op de website even checken. Heb ik gedaan.
Ja, waarschijnlijk
Na 5 of na 6.
Ja, van